It's time for the challenge on classes. In this challenge, we've been hired by Kathie's Catering. Kathie's Catering has hired us to create an application to help manage her upcoming events. The catering company provides meals for parties and special occasions, such as weddings, birthdays, bridal showers, baby showers, those types of events. So for this challenge, I want you to create an event class. The event class will hold specific information about the event, the type of event. Make this a string variable so we can hold things like wedding, retirement, birthday, the date of the event, the number of guests. Let's set a default cost for each guest to $40 inside of the class. And finally, I'd like a computer-generated event number. This number will start with the first letter of the event. So for example, if it was a wedding, it would start with W. Define a static variable for the next number. That way, it'll automatically add 1 to our number regardless of whether the new event is a wedding or a birthday or a shower. Now that we have all the instance data defined, let's talk about the constructors needed for the event class. Let's add at least 3 constructors. One will be used when only the event name is known. The second constructor will have the event name and the date of the event. And the third constructor will have the event name, the date, and the number of guests. In addition to the constructors, we're going to need accessor and mutator methods for each piece of instance data in our event class. So go ahead and add set and get methods for all the instance data. We also need to have a method that will calculate the total for this event. We want to take the number of guests times our price per guest and return that value to the calling method. And finally, let's add a print method so we can print out all the information about the event. Okay, that's it for our class. Now let's get back over to the main program. In the Java file that contains the main method, we want to add helper methods to get all the event information. In the main method itself, we're only going to have 2 statements. One to create an event object, and a second one to print out the information about the event. The helper methods will be used to prompt the user to enter the information about the event, the type of event, the number of guests, and the date of the event. Okay, now you have all the information you need to get started. So give this challenge a try. I'm estimating that this should take about 30 minutes. You might be able to get it done sooner, especially if you've already written some classes on your own. But either way, go ahead and give it a try and have some fun. Good luck!